education policy and the situation of education in Karnataka.
One is, in the name of revising the textbooks, the entire curriculum has been poisoned. Whatever that we have done in 2005, National Curriculum Framework, which is not only famous in India, but across the globe. So now they are destroying that. The entire education system has been communalized, saffronized.
We are not putting money where the money should go. The Kothari Commission said 6% of GDP should go to education. The best was the Congress did 4.5% under the best years of UPA. And now it's gone below that. There are 3 or 4 governments in this country which have done fantastically well in public school systems. If you go to schools in Wayanad, there's no question that the government school teacher will go to a private school. It's out of question. The RTE says, the NEP says, look, the mother tongue is the first language to learn, but can the child learn English and Hindi as well? We will learn. South Indians will learn Hindi if it's not imposed by the Delhi government. So that is a message from the South. We don't know that there is an education emergency. 2 years children are out of school. Today when we go to a 600 child, it doesn't know 2-digit addition. It is learning fractions. And all government school systems in this country are very happy that let us do business as usual.
ಸೊ ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಎವ್ರಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು DDPI ವರೆಗೂ ಒಂದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ BEO ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕರಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, they addressed a letter to the PMO's office and
ನಾವು ಲೆಟರನ್ನು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ PM ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಲಾಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ಆಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಲೀಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ 30, 40, 50 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ರೆಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅನ್ಆಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೈನ್ ಬ್ರೈಬ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಡೀ ಸ್ಟೇಟಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಚ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮನಿ of governments needs to go into health and education. I think without doing that, it's a non-starter. I also understand our education system. It is under systematic attack from ideological forces. Earlier it was only in their schools. Now it is entering the curriculum, it is changing the way people think, etc. And I think education with the right value system, with the right ideas, is basically suffering. So I am not of the view that government sector cannot run education institutions. I think that you have to support them, you have to create the space for them to do it, and you have to give them the money to do it. I'm very clear in my mind.